So I'm here with
Macy.
and
Diane.
Diane, trying the mango lime stir-fried donut from
That
Foodies.
is very nice.
That's very
Wait,
nice.
Aaron can't get enough of it.
That's right, nice.
Then get some more.
Oh my
Have you ever
god.
one of them crunchy chips, please? Crunchy chip.
Would you order that over normal doner?
I would.
Would you?
Do you have it with salad? That's very nice.
You have it with salad? Yeah, you can have it with salad, yeah.
Get yourself down to Foodies, guys. Get yourself down to
What's the
Foodies.
flavour?
Mango and lime, that
Oh my
one.
god, that's amazing.
What do you like? Yum mince.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
We've got a winner. We've got a winner.
We've got a winner.
We've got a
Yeah,
winner.
100%.
Mango and lime.
Nice.
Foodies, get yourselves
What's
down.
your prices like?